here are the pieces, and now let's start building Cryon, GrandMaster Forger of Blizzards. First, well, you can pause the video at the beginning to get all the pieces that you need, but first, take the head, put the brain stock in it with that, and we'll just put this off to the side, and then time to do the foot. Start out with the feet. So take one of these and put one of these on there. After that, take one of these. If I can get it on while still looking at the camera. Then take this hand right here and pull and attach it right there. After that, take one of these and put one of the small white ones, and then put golden right there, and you have that for a foot. And to complete that leg, oops, almost forgot. Since this doesn't use the knee joints, make sure to have it like that so that it can't be used as a knee. Then after that, place it like that. Then if I can, then place it like that, and you have one leg done. And I'll just go through. I'll do the next leg quickly. Now that you have these two, you can then take the body, place those two black pins into the bottom one, then insert this piece onto it. After that, you place that one right there, then you place Kopaka's chest piece onto that. And then to get the back part, you just place it right there, but I would suggest to leave that for last. And then for the shoulders, these are the ones that I don't know. I made these when I was just messing around with them. That was a long time ago that I came up with it. Like that. So it gives you another joint and also extends the arms up. You can place his head on it. And if you do that, like that, you got the back piece on, and then you can put that like that. It's basically it for the torso. So at that point you can take the legs and do that, and put that off to the side so that we can do the arms next. And then for the arms, yeah, I definitely messed up on the legs. Because for the legs, they're supposed to be this color. Sorry if you hear anything in the background. My mom and my brother are talking. Don't know what they're talking. So, you can put on Kopaka's mask if you want at this point. And this does allow him to have some posability with his head, with his mask on. Those black pins have to be on the bottom one with that, in that formation, in order for him to be able to have a head. Now for the arms, they're very simple arms. You just take piece the knee. It's the basic knee joints with this. You just place that on, and also place one of those like that. And yeah, man, I really wish my siblings would be quieter. So that's one arm done. And let's do the other arm. Just hook it up right there. And then basically got him. Now, well, that's for him without the his weapons. And now I'm gonna show you how to make his hammer and ice sword. Talking about. So yeah, just let me fix this and then we can get on with it. Now for his blizzard hammer, you'll need these pieces that are on the camera, and now let's just start building. Start off, take these two, put them together, take one of these red axles, put it in the top one, take this one, this piece, and put it in there. And oops, let's see. Sorry, I am trying to do this while looking at a photo because I really don't have this memorized, which I probably should. Then place this right here, then place that right there. Place that red axle in there, place that axle in there, then place that axle in there. That's it for that part. Next, what you want to do is take this piece, stick it right there, and then, oh nope, other side. No, it's supposed to be on this side. And just because of my preference, I would put it like that. Put it with like the thing on this side, just so that's easier. Then put in this. Put in that. Then place that there. Plug in the, if I can get it in, plug in the ball joints. Place that up there. Put that on there. Put that there. Do it down there. And you're done with the blizzard hammer. And to put it in his hand, what you do is that you take it out except that the axle, the red axle, is supposed to be in this one, so that he can do, so that he has the biggest of hammer. Well, it's mainly for him to have the biggest of hammer since he is the leader. And that's basically how you build his blizzard hammer. I usually don't have problems with the axle being the wrong ones, so this is a first. Now on to his ice sword slash companion, and I'll be back when I'm done disassembling his sword and then show you how to put it together. So see you then. Okay, I'm back and I have it disassembled so that I can show you how to build it. So first, you take this piece, and this piece, and then I think it's like that, if I'm correct. Oh, I think it's that. Then take one of these blue pegs. We'll take 2 of them and place them on opposite sides, and then have this one right here like that, and then another one on the other side. Actually, this black pin goes, this goes right there. This peg, this red axle goes right there. And then put that there. I was derping there because it's supposed to be like that. And now for the part where I have troubles. Oh! You place this peg right in there. And then you put this, put it in there. And then for the other side, do the, you could say same thing there, except have this like that. Put that in. Put that in right there. And then just put that in like that. And voila. And then how you put it in his hands is that you take this part out, flip it upside down, take his hands, put the axle in it right there, then take this and put it upside down, and there you go. You now have, well, it shouldn't fall off, but make sure to have the one with this black part on like facing. Make sure to have this part that's the longer side is bigger, is on the more, is on the is on the front side of it. Okay, so this is Bio27 signing out. Hope you guys have a great day.